Everyone, DM Sams Properties by Ralph San Jose. So in this episode, papakita ko sa inyo yung pinakabagong project namin dito sa Baguio. It's another leisure development by DMCI Homes, which is located sa Tuba area, Benguet. So this is the site. We're here at the site. So from Manila siguro, I think mga 4 to 5 hours lang yung travel time. Ito pala yung magiging entrance natin. So it's a 4-hectare development and we have 3 buildings. So the first building is here. Itong red flag na to hanggang doon kasi may another red flag pa doon. So yung first building natin consists of 20 story. So we have 20 floors for this first building. So in this area, actually nasa bundok na tayo, no? So, medyo mataas na yung area natin. So as you can see sa view doon, so idadaling ko kayo sa mga views natin dito. So the first building is here hanggang doon. First building, meron pang isang red flag doon, saka dito, yung red flag na to. So yan yung magiging first building natin. 20 floors siya and we have basement parking as well. So ito yung another red flag. So from here hanggang doon, another red flag. Ito yung magiging first building. Tapos yung view niya is facing there. Later on bababa tayo para mapakita ko sa inyo yung mga views. So dito mag-end yung ating first building. Dito sa red flag na to. So over here, bababa tayo going down. Ito naman papunta sa ating second building, second tower. So dito pala makikita nyo na yung view. So from this side, medyo foggy lang pero the view of mountains ganyan. Today is April 18, 12:45 PM. Tanghali, pero yung hangin dito is malamig. Natin for this project. So right now, papakita ko naman sa inyo kung saan itatayo yung Tower 2 natin. So yung Tower 2 natin consists of 3 floors lang siya. So nakikita niyo yung white flag na yan. Diyan yung Tower 2. So 3 floors siya, medyo nasa babang area siya, babang part. Then facing dyan sa taniman na yan. So from this part naman, doon sa nakikita niyo yung red flag na yun, may tatlong red flag doon. Diyan naman yung Tower 3 natin. So the Tower 3 consists of 18 floors naman siya with basement parking levels as well. Yan. So lahat ng views natin are unobstructed. We have a views of the mountain, whichever building kayo. So this project, Montcielo Crest, is a condotel. So same nung project namin sa Batangas, yung leisure project namin sa Batangas, which is in Solmera Coast. So it's a good investment, which is Baguio is very attractive to our tourists. So magiging maganda investment din siya. So it's a hassle-free investment as well kasi hindi na kailangan mag-maintain kasi bahala na doon yung hotel management natin, yung third-party hotel operator. So first tower will be launched next month. So ito yung namin i-release. Tower 2, Tower 3 will be announced pa kung kailan siya ilalabas. So ang special dito sa project na to, we have new amenities to offer. Like, meron tayong magiging spa, may magiging water feature tayo. Kung ano yung mga amenities namin before sa mga DMCI project namin, same, pero ito may mas bagong idadagdag. So, very exciting tong project na to. Once na ilalabas na yung mga materials namin, official materials, and the project presentation, i-discuss ko rin yun sa aking next video. So, that's it for today, guys. So, sana po nagustuhan yung aking video dito sa Monticello Crest, sa site project site natin. So, if you have any questions, please let me know. And syempre, huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. So, once again, this is DMCI Homes Properties by Ralph San Jose. Thank you and keep safe.